local power crews tell us they are ready for the worst. WHO 13's Justin Surrency got some inside information from MidAmerican Energy. At least they know what to plan for, Justin.
Sure do, Dan. MidAmerican Energy officials say they are not waiting to find out just how bad the damage will be on Wednesday before sending in repair crews. They are already planning for 24-hour around-the-clock coverage with line crews and tree service crews getting in place ahead of time.
We are making sure that crews all along that storm path, anticipated storm path, are ready to go. Additionally, we are sending in some extra crews or moving some extra crews and equipment to some areas where we can respond faster should the storm impact the system in those particular areas.
MidAmerican Energy Media Relations Manager Jeff Greenwood says the advance warnings from meteorologists have allowed the company to have a better idea of the path and potential strength of what is expected Wednesday afternoon and into the evening. One added concern for line crews will be large trees that survive the derecho. Greenwood says those trees could be still standing but unhealthy. That makes them more likely to fall over or have large limbs collapsing on overhead lines because of the damage they sustained in 2020. Another point of concern will be making sure the public does not attempt to drive over or physically move downed power lines.
What's really important, though, in any storm, particularly something like this where there's a threat for overhead lines, if you see an overhead line, assume it's energized. Don't touch it. Don't go anywhere near it. Assume that it's energized. Give us a call. We will come out as quickly as we can and restore service as safely as possible.
MidAmerican Energy customers can sign up for outage alerts straight to your phone by going to midamericanenergy.com and clicking on the My Account tab, Dan.
Yeah, thanks so much for the advice and the reassurance tonight, Justin.